It is Tuesday. I am just prepping some food right now. I made some blueberry muffins, and then I'm cooking the fish that I got from the farmer's market. But my mom is on her way up here now, and it's supposed to be a gorgeous day. So we're gonna probably do a little walk and then maybe go to the pool. And my blueberry muffins are ready. Showered, and my mom just got here, so we're gonna go for a little walk before it gets too hot outside because it's supposed to get up to 90 degrees today. Morning. I'm just about to leave for work for the day. Today is my longer day, but I have on these shorts from Aloe, and then this hoodie is actually from my job. It says SLT on the sleeve, and it's so cozy. But it's gonna be warm out today, so the studio is gonna be freezing. So I'm gonna wear this and then bring a tank top with me, and I will see you guys when I get back from work. Well, my intention was to come home from work and go lay by the pool, but it's thundering and lightning and pouring outside. So I'm thinking maybe light some candles and throw on a movie. Good morning. It is 7:30. It's Friday morning. I didn't really vlog yesterday. I was just so tired and like over it. But I'm feeling motivated this morning. My brother is going to be coming here. I've been wanting to go through my garage a little bit because it is a disaster down there, and I've just not had the motivation to do it, but I'm feeling like I might be able to tackle some of it this morning before he gets here, especially since the garage is an area that we want to do like build outs in because I have so much space down there. So we're gonna go see what that looks like and see once I get down there if I still want to clean. My brother's here. He's putting things up outside.
Daddy got some brackets with one.
That don't fit and don't work.
Half-inch, 5 more than the left.
Hey guys, it is Saturday and there is an open house going on that I want to go check out. It is a house that used to belong to my brother's godmother, and this woman who bought it is in real estate and also design and construction. So apparently she did an amazing job and I just want to go check it out. So I'm not going to bring my camera, but I will take some clips on my phone. Outside of that, the rest of the day is going to be pretty chill. I did go to my mom's this morning to help her organize some boxes that she had. She has so much Christmas stuff and it's been in her basement since Christmas last year. So we organized everything, labeled everything, and then whenever my brother is back over this way, he's gonna bring it up into her attic for her. But that took a few hours this morning. It was very uneventful, so I didn't vlog it, but hopefully the open house will be kind of fun and exciting to go see. home. I just threw in a load of clothes and I need to change out my sheets today. And then I also just have some work that I need to do before I go to work tomorrow. I picked up an extra class, so I'm pretty much gonna be at work all day tomorrow. But it's good because I did miss a couple of classes at the end of the month. So I'll be able to make up a little bit of that. But I'm gonna sit here, do a little bit of work, and then maybe sit on the balcony. I think it's gonna cool down in about an hour, so it'll be nice to sit out there. Because right now it's really hot out. I made the mistake of putting these like Justin's peanut butter cups. They're the dark chocolate ones. There we go, focused. But I put them here and I've literally eaten like all of them today. There's 5 left and that's a problem. I also picked up this new flavor, well, new to me, and it's called the cake, ice cream cake. And it's so good. I just had a little bit. And then I've been, instead of buying whipped cream, I've been buying the heavy cream. I'm making whipped cream with sugar in my Vitamix, and it is the easiest thing ever. It takes 15 seconds. So you put one of those with 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then you like turn it, and you use 15 seconds to turn it all the way up to high, and then turn it off, and it literally turns into whipped cream, and it's so good. But I literally just said that I was gonna be better about sugar like a couple weeks ago, and I've not held up that promise to myself. I don't know why. I've just been craving like ice cream and chocolate and soda even. I bought like the Boylan's root beer. I think it's the best soda personally, but yeah, we're on like a sugar kick lately. I don't know what's going on with me.